Do you want to know the laws for Bitcoin in the future? Yes, we can know them if we know the highs. How's that? I'm gonna explain you in today's video here in Crypto News, fun on the right, crypto a tope. But first, just let me tell you that we are gonna be in Zaragoza just this very week, 26-27 October 2022. That's Wednesday and Thursday, and we are gonna do our show live. So if that's something of your interest, go there or watch the special show we'll do online. Also, if you go there, you'll have a pop-up that will manifest certified that you attended the event in a BlockFi way. So right now, jump into the charts. Bitcoin is between $19,000 and $20,000 as we've been for a long period of time. And we are so concerned and scared that more and more the chart is looking as 2018. And remember past videos, that could mean that in 14th of November or maybe the 22nd, we will fall another 50% or more. You have all those explanations in past crypto news videos where we talk about the next all-time high will be around $150,000 for Bitcoin, and it would be December 2025. We have a gap in the futures of the CNMV in the 4-hour chart, and it's already almost closed. So maybe we continue with the trend as usual. It would depend on the dollar, and you can see that right now we're going up with the dollar. So Bitcoin is gonna go lower for sure right now, and we need to decide if we are gonna have an October in the green or in the red for Bitcoin. And if we have a look in past years, you can see that in 2021 we were flat since the point we are right now to the end of the month, but in 2020 we went up a little bit. So if we follow path as 2020, we will have a green October, and if we do as past year, it will be red, and that's not good. Just remember the video we did about our prediction for October and the end of the year. If you want to do charts like this one with multiple charts inside, you need the version pro of TradingView. You have the link in the description, and some stuff like this you can do with Atani, which is a free app. Just download it, link in the description, and you can also trade in several exchanges. So convenient with the application. More of Bitcoin. Remember 1 year ago we were in the all-time high. That's what like Davis is telling us. Just the 10th of November will be 365 days after the 69,000 all-time high for Bitcoin. We've dropped 74% since then, which is crazy. But today we're gonna learn how to know when this nightmare is gonna end. Hansa is telling us you just have to connect the tops, and then you replicate the line and you create a parallel channel, and you got it. We are watching that with past two cycles, the bull market and the bear markets, and for this time you can see that if we connect the same way, we are so close to our bottom, but we are not there yet. We need a little bit more. That would be around $12,000, $10,000. Remember the gap in the 9,600 that I believe has to close eventually. But if you want some FOMO, if you want some good news, you have this chart from Stock Money Lizards where you can see the 1, 2, 3 for Bitcoin in 2018, and now the 1, 2, 3 we had. And if we are repeating that, well, we had the washout drop, and we need to go higher right now. We'll see about that, and we have to think on the macroeconomical situation in order to believe that we are going up already. You can see there that right now we are having a 284 days bear market globally and a 25.4% drop. And if you compare that with all history drops, you can see that the average is around 34%, and also relating with dates and days, the period of time, it would be around the same we are doing right now, but you can see that we had maximus of 535, 630. So maybe it would be longer, much longer. and also the drop can go as high as 54%. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. And if you need more FOMO news, you have these Fibonacci extensions. The code jar is telling us that eventually every time the Bitcoin price behaves going to those highs, and we can see that will be around 300K by the end of December, by the end of 2025, December 2025. So more and more people is just jumping in my theory that the next all-time high for Bitcoin would be December 2025. This is a story of Bitcoin. It's a story of going up and down. 50,000, 27, then the all-time high we lived past year, but then bad news all over the market, but then some good ones that would bring finally Bitcoin to $500,000. This meme believes. Also, you have to believe in the development of Bitcoin. The hash rate is continuing breaking historical records every day almost. And we have a race with ATMs, more interest in the world and adoption. Right now, Spain is overtaking El Salvador in number of ATMs. Spain is the king in Europe and also is the third in the world with our friends, partners, BitBase. You can buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies online, and also they have ATMs and shops all over the world. They have 14% all of the ATMs in Europe. And if you have a business and you want an ATM, I will leave you the link in the description to this article. You can contact them and put an ATM in your business. Bitcoin, we are focusing on it with laser eyes. Everything else is noise for this dog. You can see that he's just interested in catching Bitcoin for sure, but we are scared. We have extreme fear in the market 22, and we are scared also because now we don't even have the choice of working on McDonald's because the robots are taking over. This is Slovenia, and it will be the rest of the world soon enough. So where we will work, we don't know. Maybe we just need some money from the government. The market in the green right now, but I don't believe it's gonna last for a long time. The most important ones in the green, but as the dollar is going up, I believe it's going to go down. Ethereum will be down too as the market in the next hours, I believe, but I have no idea. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. Do not trade with my ideas. But you can see there that 1,200 is the support line for Ethereum, and also this random line we drew the other day, it's been the support. If you want airdrops, maybe you can find one with CK Sync. They are revealing data about the tokenomics next month, first week. So we'll talk about that in our show, Crypto News Fun on the Right, where I'm telling you right now that Vitalik Buterin is creating some FOMO and crazy behavior in the market. He just tweeted about two issues, two topics, and the community, crazy people, legends, they created two meme coins. One is called DAI, and the other one is called Altcoin. So you can see that DAI just went up as crazy and then down. This is a classical up and down for an announcement coin. And also, if we go to DEX tools, you'll find there that Xcoin went crazy up 5,000% and then down again. So be careful with all those scams. Everything is a scam until proven otherwise. And then we'll see the next meme coin in the market. Ripple is celebrating its 10th anniversary. And this is the chart of all this time. This is not 10 years, but the moment they started trading with XRP, it went up crazy, then down and up to previous all-time highs, and then down again. So what do you think? Leave a comment below. Do you believe it will be higher than $3 in the future or not? It's doomed. In the DeFi ecosystem, this is the chart. We are around $40 billion for Bitcoin, and the Interpol is coming into the metaverse. We talked the other day about Dubai and their police, And right now, the Interpol also is coming into the metaverse. They will teach other policies in the world, and they want the metaverse a safe place. So beware of that. The kings in the metaverse world and NFTs are over the reality, and they are starting today, October 24th, this live with Wall Street Journal that we are gonna join us. Also, if you want information, you have the Discord channel where you will learn all about them. For example, that they have the over awards, and you can win 30,000 in OVR tokens if you are the best in design. And from our partners in Over the Reality to our partners in Ledger, they have good news. If you minted the market pass, you will be able November the 3rd of claiming Bernie, changing that NFT for a black on black special edition. The color is different, the shape is a little bit different, and also the packaging. So if you are a collector, don't miss that out. If you didn't mint in its day the token, you can go to the secondary market, you can go to OpenSea where you can buy the token, and in November the 3rd, you'll be able of redeeming it. You can see this lovely picture as the past New York one, and now they work with the safety of the ledger in this occasion. Thank you to the community that give me good pieces of information. For example, Iron Man is telling us that Mercoparo is already accepting payments with crypto. Also, thank you very much to everybody that is trying that 90 days trial for free of Audible, learning for free and helping indirectly fund on the right. Link is in the description. Also interesting, thank you for sharing. This is a, ¿cómo se dice glóbulo rojo en inglés? This is some of our immune system persecuting, trying to kill bacteria. So crazy when you think that these people live in our body, inside of us. You will have a good argument for good health, for eating properly, do not drinking alcohol, do not smoking, etc. That's our vibes in Fun on the Ride, where we love art and we love crazy people like this guy, so talented with VR, and he's gonna replace the ball exactly. That's crazy. Awesome people and awesome artists as this guy, my favorite one right now, just with the umbrella and the donut. And you can see Cage, Nicolas Cage from half court is gonna be in the three-pointer 1, 2, and 3. This is art. This is crazy. I feel stuff. I feel things with this. Also, I feel things listening to my friend Carlos M. Yara. No doy consejo. It's his last song, Sol Familia Dios. In Twitch, you have to follow them. Link in the description. And you have the full video that my sister Tanya created in YouTube. Do not miss that out. Also in our webpage, funontheright.com, in special programs, Crypto Humor. Do not think too much about it. Do not turn around once and again as they do in Mendoza, Argentina, with those 29 curves. And let's go, let's jump into the cats and dogs section with Gloria Rusconi's pet watching the crypto news. Thank you for sharing, and thank you for sharing this cat obsessed with trading. Do not get obsessed with it. And be careful of scammers, as these two cats that they did it but disappear, and you are gonna be accused like the A-team of a thing that you didn't do. Not fair, and be careful with surprise attacks. Oh my God! Also, do not attack people that is smaller than you, because you may lose. Do not go to the hem with a sword. That's the lesson today. And let's go and be just chilling and relaxing and doing some yoga with our best friends. It's time for relaxing yoga. This is awesome. Postures, crazy ones. But maybe you try that, and finally, this is what you get, which is people around you do not letting you do the mindfulness you so hardly need right now. It's okay, just play along, play with the kids, just find people that is full with illusion, with joy, and join this joy. Like this dog is just having fun, jumping like crazy. This is the idea, finding your smile and your happiness in the smallest things, like jumping with the rope with some friends. So funny, jumping is this dear too, and we're gonna end the show jumping too. You can watch this show in Spanish if you go to our primary channel, Fun on the Right. And if you want more English, then just wait for next Crypto News, Fun on the Right. You will have it a special edition on Wednesday from Zaragoza. Do not miss that out. Health, money, love, party in peace, crypto a tope, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!